control panel of a generator is located in the main switchboard. Assume that number 1 generator is running on load. Number 2 generator needs to be started synchronized with generator 1. Start the number 2 generator. Check the voltage and frequency of the generator. If the frequency is 62 Hz, decrease the frequency of the number 2 generator. This is done by using the governor motor control switch in the panel. This decreases or increases the speed and hence the frequency of the generator too. Switch on the synchronoscope selector to number 2 generator. If the needle rotates in clockwise direction, the speed of the incoming generator should be decreased. If the needle rotates in anti-clockwise direction, the speed of the incoming generator should be increased. The air circuit breaker should be closed when the incoming machine voltage is in phase with the bus bar voltage. It is advisable to close the breaker when the pointer rotates in clockwise direction. The actual synchronism between the two generators is indicated by the 12 o'clock position in the synchroscope. Close the air circuit breaker when the needle reaches at 11 o'clock position, taking into account the breaker closing time.
Come and fly